to come in Patna to have this meeting. अगर आज मनी महाराज जी कोई मीटिंग नहीं करेंगे फिर भी इनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, सुनील कुमार मीटिंग नहीं करेंगे कोई भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। इसलिए फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, ये पेंशन आपको भी हो उससे आप बेनिफिटेड होंगे, आपको पेंशन हो उससे हम बेनिफिटेड नहीं होने वाले, हम बेनिफिटेड नहीं होने वाले हैं। वेज सेटलमेंट की जो बात इन्होंने की, और संजय मंजरेकर जी अक्सर यूएफबीयू की मीटिंग में रहे हैं, मुंबई में जो होता था, तो जब यूएफबीयू के कन्वेनर आए और उन्होंने कहा कि मैंने 13.5% पर फाइनल कर दिया है, मैनेजमेंट मान गई है, 12% के बदले 13.5% हो गया है, और अब आप लोग स्ट्राइक विड्रॉ करिए वरना ये ऑफर कल नहीं रहेगा। जैसे यहाँ ऑफर आता है ना वो बिग बाजार में और मॉल में, वो उस तरह के ऑफर वो दे रहे थे हमारे कन्वेनर, जिनको कन्वेनर हमने बनाया। मैंने सीधा कहा, सब कोई चुप है, मैंने पूछा कि आपको ये अधिकार दिया किसने? नहीं हम कन्वेनर हैं। हम बोले उससे क्या होता है? एक क्लर्क ऑफिसर के विषय में बात करे, यह बात मुझे बिल्कुल ही गवारा नहीं है। हमको कुछ नहीं मिले, हमको कुछ नहीं मिले। I am not going to ask you to pay me the respect, but you cannot show your disrespect to me. You cannot dare. The banking industry is being driven by the officers. और जाइए अपने आका लोग को बोल दीजिए जिनको आप प्रॉमिस करके आए थे और मुझे मालूम था कि 8:30 बजे सुबह में आप किसके साथ बैठे हुए। हमारे मनी मारन भाई के गांव वाले और हमारे मेहता जी के गांव वाले दोनों सुबह से राजकिरण राय जी के साथ बैठे हुए थे। नेगोशिएटिंग कमेटी के चेयरमैन के साथ मुझे तो मालूम था। मैं आईबीए में वैसे ही बोल रहा था कि वो लोग 11 बजे आएगा। सब कोई पूछ रहा था क्यों? हम बोले आएगा ना 11 बजे। जैसे वो लोग 11 बजे आए, लोग हमसे पूछा कि भाई आपको कैसे पता चला कि वो लोग 11 बजे आएगा? हम बोले 8:30 बजे से बैठा हुआ, वहां डील चल रहा, आप इतना पे मान जाइए। हम लोग वहां से डिस्पर्स हो गए, हम लोग अपने अपने रास्ते चले। स्टेट बैंक से बुलाहट हुई, स्टेट बैंक में गए। रजनीश जी ने, मैं 2 घटना बताऊंगा। मुझे ऑफिसर्स के ग्रुप के जो चेयरमैन थे, मुझे वो स्टेट बैंक के थे, डीएमडी, मुझे पता चला कि वो मुझे अकेले बुला रहे हैं। पहले तो मैं हेजिटेंट था जाने के लिए, लोगों ने कहा नहीं नहीं आप जाइए। मैं गया, उनके सेक्रेटरी ने कहा कि सर इज वेटिंग फॉर यू, यू गो इनसाइड। आई वेंट। आफ्टर एक्सचेंज ऑफ प्लीजेंटरीज ही सेड दैट व्हाट इज द हिच, you do not know the government of lesser. When did you join this banking industry? He said in 1987. Then you are 3 years junior to me, sir. I have seen this banking industry 3 years more than you have seen. Sir, how many kids you do have? No, I have only one daughter, but why are you asking this question? I said, sir, I have got every right to ask question from you because you have called me. And all sort of nonsense things I am going to ask you because all sort of nonsense things I will ask you because I am not authorized a person to discuss anything about wage settlement when I am sitting with you alone. In the meantime, others were called. State Bank chairman came. आप लोगों में से शायद बहुत लोगों ने वो उस समय कूली मूवी आती थी अमिताभ बच्चन, उसमें अमिताभ बच्चन को चोट लग गया तो बहुत लोग मंदिर में बैठ गए। माँ बाप को कुछ हो जाए तो कभी मंदिर नहीं गए। तो जैसे वो कुर्सी पर ऐसे आके बैठता है वैसे बैठ के हमको लगा कि ये स्टेट बैंक के चेयरमैन है क्या है। उन्होंने कहा तो आप स्ट्राइक कर लीजिएगा। तो हम बोले हमको आपका परमिशन का जरूरत थोड़ा, नोटिस सर्व कर दिया। बोले I know about you, sir. I am that a personality that I know that you must be. Then he told, आपको क्या लगता है सरकार आपको छोड़ देगी, बैंक आपको छोड़ देगी? हम बोले आपको क्या लगता है हम आइसबॉक्स के हैं? आई रिप्रेजेंट फेडरेशन ऑफ बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ऑफिसर एसोसिएशन। और सर आज आपको नींद नहीं आएगी रात में, इसलिए कि आपके तमाम लोग ये देख रहे हैं, आपके तमाम लोग ये देख रहे हैं कि आप मुझे डरा रहे हैं अपने घर में, और मैं डर नहीं रहा हूं सर, मैं मुस्कुरा रहा हूं और जा रहा हूं और स्ट्राइक होगा। नेक्स्ट डे स्ट्राइक हो गया। भाई संजय मंजरेकर ने कहा कि जो स्टेट बैंक से जुड़े जो दूसरे संगठन के लोग हैं उन लोगों ने ये चाहा कि स्ट्राइक नहीं हो, और एक फुल पेज का एडवर्टाइजमेंट आया, इरेस्पॉन्सिबल ट्रेड यूनियन लीडर्स। और जब वेज सेटलमेंट, जब वेज टॉक्स जब रिज्यूम हुआ तो मैंने बड़ा सा प्ले कार्ड लगा के रखा था, मैंने सोमो दत्ता को भी पहना के रखा था। एंड ड्यूरिंग एंटायर ऑफिशियल डिस्कशन दैट प्ले कार्ड वी वर putting on our chest that we are proud representative of the nationalist, responsible trade union organizations. राकेश शर्मा जी समय यूको बैंक के एमडी थे, उन्होंने कहा कि भाई एक मेरे लिए क्यों नहीं लाया? हम बोले सर पट्टा पहनने वाले ये नहीं पहनते सर, पट्टा पहनने वाले ये नहीं पहनते, ये पहनने के लिए सर इधर आना था, पट्टा पहनने के लिए तो आप उधर चले गए। एंड दैट इज हाउ यू स्टार्टेड दिस जर्नी। मुझे एक बार वो चेयरमैन ने पूछा कि भाई इतना क्यों लड़ते हो? हमारे सर 2 रुपया भी अगर बढ़ता है तो लगता है कि जो ट्रस्ट, जो फेथ हमारे कंस्टिट्यूएंसी का हम पर है, उसके लिए कुछ तो किए। बोले क्या लोग उससे सेटिस्फाइड होंगे? हम बोले सर उनका सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं, अपने सेटिस्फैक्शन। उनके लिए मैं जानता हूं कि दिल मांगे मोर, और अगर वो सेटिस्फाइड नहीं है तो दैट इज अनदर वे ऑफ रिकॉग्निशन व्हिच वी आर हैविंग, बिकॉज दे हैव मोर एक्सपेक्टेशंस एंड दैट एक्सपेक्टेशंस दे आर हैविंग बिकॉज दे बिलीव देयर लीडरशिप कैन डू इट। मोरओवर गाली तो हमको अलाउंस में मिलता है सर, वो हमारे लिए पीएलआई है। जितना ज्यादा परफॉर्म करेंगे उतनी ज्यादा आप गाली सुनेंगे। तो ट्रेड यूनियन करने का पहला नियम है कि आप पहले पीएलआई के साथ ही नौकरी शुरू करिए। ट्रेड यूनियन में आपको सैलरी की चिंता छोड़ देनी पड़ेगी। और एक ट्रेड यूनियन का लीडर ट्रेड यूनियन जब करता है, इतनी गाली सुनते तो बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि क्या उनके ठाठ बाट होंगे। Only bearer of us who knows we all are the mad persons. Other day I was in Muzaffarpur and then in Patna also, and this is one of the biggest Samman Samaroh for me, and I am really very fortunate that you all have organized this meeting. तो मैं एक बात बोलता हूं कि मेरे पास उस बात की कोई जवाब नहीं है। All those 37 years which I have given to the organization, and I deprived my family members, what to reply to them when I am going back to my family? I have no reply. I have sacrificed their time for my brothers and sisters in the banking industry. Even during the treatment when something was being injected to me from the right hand, I used to type letters. And few times nurses came and they were telling, sir, your blood is going up, that is returning to the bottle. Bottle has filled with your blood. And you didn't call us. Sorry, madam, I could not see. So that is the commitment. And that commitment no normal person can have. We are mad people. And Shakespeare said long back, only a mad knows the joys of madness. अरे मरना तो सबको है एक न एक दिन। जब मरना ही है तो किसी पर मर के देखिए, किसी के लिए मर के देखिए। उसका एक अलग मजा है। AIMVF, मैं कोई एश्योरेंस कॉमरेड मनीमारन को नहीं दे रहा हूं, मैं कोई एश्योरेंस कॉमरेड संजय मंजरेकर को नहीं दे रहा हूं, मैं कोई एश्योरेंस कॉमरेड BK मेहता को नहीं दे रहा हूं। मैं सिर्फ उनको उतना ही बोलता हूं कि न छोड़ा है न छोड़ेंगे दामन तेरा, वादा करके कभी हम मुकरते नहीं, जी चाहे हमें उम्र भर आजमा, मौसमों की तरह हम बदलते नहीं। तो जो जर्नी हमने शुरू किया वो जर्नी तो होगा। गुजारिश मेरी और फैसला आपका कि अकेले मैं ये जिम्मेवारी नहीं उठाऊंगा। मैंने कल भी रात में आपको कहा रहा, जिस मन से कह रहा हूं, BK मेहता जी के साथ साथ आइदर कॉमरेड मनीमारन और कॉमरेड संजय मंजरेकर तो मुझे चाहिए ही चाहिए। और ये फैसला मैं इन लोगों पे छोड़ता हूं। I don't want to compel anybody. I don't want to compel anybody. But this is the bigger fight. आज क्या है? हमको मालूम नहीं है कि हम मांगते क्या हैं। हम वर्क फ्रॉम होम मांगते हैं। Government wants this. Government wants this because we should not remain united. हमारी मुलाकात नहीं हो। वर्क फ्रॉम होम में वो घर में काम करें, हम वो घर में काम करें, किसी को किसी से मुलाकात नहीं हो, फिर ट्रेड यूनियन क्या होगा, फिर ये डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन क्या होगा। यू वांट a staggered ड्यूटी, क्या होगा। हमको विरोध करना चाहिए था लैटरल रिक्रूटमेंट का। रेलवे का सिग्नल वाला बैंक में आके काम कर रहा है, वो ट्रैफिक वाला आके काम कर रहा है, कोई कस्टमर आया तो इधर इधर वो कर रहा है। वो ट्रैफिक में था, लैटरल रिक्रूटमेंट में वैसा हुआ है। दैट वाज द टाइम वी शुड हैव अपोज्ड। वी वांट द कोर बैंकर्स। आज क्या है, सिर्फ आत्मसम्मान लेकर के पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक के लोग जीते हैं, वरना हम तो दिन भर बेचते ही रहते। अब ये अलग बात है कि हम थर्ड पार्टी प्रोडक्ट बेच रहे हैं और जो हमारे रहनुमा है वो बैंक को ही बेच रहे हैं। बेच तो हर व्यक्ति रहा, बेच तो हर व्यक्ति रहा। हम इस देश के नागरिक हैं और हमारा एक कर्तव्य बनता है। और हम हारेंगे या जीतेंगे, वो है ना कि अब हवाएं ही करेंगी रोशनी का फैसला। जिस दिए में तेल होगा वही दिया जल पाएगा। कल को ये तो लड़ाई के मैदान में फैसला होगा कौन हारा कौन जीता। लेकिन ये तवारीख के पन्नों में ये दर्ज होना चाहिए कि हम भागने वालों में से नहीं थे, हम हार मानने वालों में से नहीं थे। हमने लड़ाई लड़ी, हमने अपना कर्तव्य निभाने की हमने जिम्मेवारी उठाई। मैं आपका ज्यादा वक्त नहीं लूंगा, बहुत लेट हो गया, अभी तो 8:30 बजे है। और वैसे भी थोड़े ज्यादा वक्त नहीं लूंगा तो आप लोग मेरा क्या कर दीजिएगा, ट्विटर पे जाके गाली दीजिएगा, अगर नहीं दीजिएगा तो मुझे नींद भी नहीं है। वो मेरे लिए लोड़ी है, इसलिए जरूर जाके गाली दीजिए। तो हुआ क्या कि एक बार एक जंगल में आग लग गई, बहुत सारे जानवर भागे जा रहे हैं। अब तो गया जंगल, गया खत्म हो गया। छोटा जानवर, बड़ा जानवर, मोटा जानवर, पतला जानवर सब भाग रहा। एक नन्ही सी चिड़िया, वो कहीं जाती, 2 बूंद पानी लेके आती, थोड़ा आगे जाके गिरा देती, फिर वापस आती। तो बड़े बड़े जानवरों ने उसको कहा गया, मूर्ख चिड़िया, जहां सभी भागे जा रहे तू भी भाग ले, अब ये जंगल बचने वाला है। ये जंगल गया, जाके कोई दूसरा आश्रय खोज ले। इतनी सी चिड़िया 2 बूंद पानी लेकर के तो कर क्या ली। चिड़िया ने कहा कि मुझे ऊपर वाले ने जितना औकात दिया है मैं करूंगी तो उतना ही ना। लेकिन जिस दिन इस जंगल का इतिहास लिखा जाएगा, जंगल को बचाने वालों में मेरा नाम होगा और भागने वालों में तुम लोगों का नाम होगा। तो मेरी आप लोगों से यही गुजारिश है दोस्तों कि आपका नाम पब्लिक सेक्टर को बचाने वालों में लिखा जाए। आपका नाम इस देश की संपत्ति को बचाने जाने वालों में लिखा जाए। सब कुछ आपके बस में नहीं है, लेकिन आपके बस में जो भी है वो जरूर करें। यह तो एक चेन है, यह तो एक चेन है। हमारी ड्यूटी बनती है कि हम यंग को प्रमोट करें, और हम कर भी रहे हैं। हम एजुकेट करें, हम कर भी रहे हैं, लेकिन वो ट्रेनिंग बहुत ग्रेजुअल है। इसलिए कि आज देखिए, आज जो प्रोग्रेशन है, कैरियर प्रोग्रेशन है, हम और मनी भाई जिस समय ज्वाइन किए तो 7 साल में स्केल 1 से 2, 5 साल में 2 to 3, फिर 5 साल में 3 to 4, कितना हो गया, 17 साल हो गए। आज 6 साल में 1 से 4, कार्बाइड से पका हुआ आम, पर कार्बाइड से पका हुआ फल कितना पेरिसेबल होगा आप समझ जाइए। तो then you are not, you will have to work hard to cope up with the responsibility which you are going to take. You will be respected by your knowledge.
I don't know whether Canara Bank will be there or not. Today also I have seen in the paper, Yuka Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, Central Bank going to be amalgamated with our Sunilji. पता नहीं सुनील का next time क्या हो जाएगा? With IOB, Yuko Bank. My God, I have to see in itself this structure. बात नहीं क्या? What they are going to achieve, my dear friends? What will happen to the banking industry? Government is simply announcing all these banks are going to be amalgamated. And okay, they are going to reduce the publicity of banks into only 4 or 5. That is not the question. The remaining bank is even the 4 banks also. 4 or 5 banks which are going to remain as the publicity bank. Remain nationalized bank. Uska shareholding also will be brought down by the government of India. That's what indicated. Now itself, we are only having the 69 to 70% shareholding by the government of India. And as per the Companies Act, with which we are running the banking institutions, 30% shareholding is sufficient to have a control over the institution. 50% का भी जरूरत नहीं है, 30% काफी है. And to run the institution as a controller, Reserve Bank of India, there is no need for holding any share in the banks as per the Banking Regulations Act. So as per the Companies Act you need 30%, as per the Banking Regulations Act you need only 0%. Recently Lakshmi Vilas Bank became privatized. In one day they simply handed over to the DBS Bank. You know what they did? They announced the Lakshmi Vilas Bank shares became 0 and nobody can go to the court against his decision. And the DBS Bank को 2,500 crores को भेज दिया. And in this budget, in the financial institution also, they will increase the FII from 49 to 74%. What is the meaning of it? Anybody who has got money or our politician can bring the money through foreign countries, 74%, and they can buy any banks. It's going to happen. So this dynamism is taking into place, and all these things are going to affect the only nationalized banks. You understand it? That is what I am trying to say that. All the changes what the government of India is announcing, it is not going to affect the private banks who are already private banks. It is not going to affect the RRBs which are parent bank is there. State Bank of India totally protected. And if at all this the government decision is going to affect any bank, it is only nationalized banks. It is duty of every one of us to protect the nationalized banks. And who can do that? This dynamism is taking place. So necessarily All India Nationalized Bank Officers Federation also should metamorphose itself to matching to the dynamism taking place in the banking industry to protect the interest of the nationalized bank in this country. Why responsibility of Sunil Kumar ka upar hai? This responsibility. That is why I told our Kisliya ko felicitation program arrange kar dijiye. Farewell nahi hai. Because now Mr. Sunil Kumar has to take care of the entire nationalized banks. Iska responsibility hai.
जिंदाबाद 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 जिंदाबाद.
What are the changes announced by the government of India in the name of the banking reforms? देख लीजिए friends, you are all educated, literate. What are all the agenda of the government in announcing the banking reforms? One is amalgamation of the nationalized banks, one. Second one is not appointing the directors in the board of the banks from the trade union, appointing the outsiders managing directors to these banks, understand, reducing the government holdings in these banks, and permitting your capitalists to come into the bank to invest. And another one is increasing the FII to 49% to 74%, so that the foreign entities will come into the India and they will take over the nationalized banks, and wage revisions, and your pension issue, family pension, all these things are pertaining to only nationalized banks today. Private banks are koi matlab hi nahi. They don't have any role to fight. State Bank of India, it is always treated as a big brother. As our Manjrekar ji told that, they are already having PF for two benefits, PF and pension. We are only having one benefit. Pension ka, wo bhi updation nahi ho raha hai. That pension also, it is not getting updated. All our retirees, they are on the road. It is happening only in the public sector banks, nationalized banks. We are the persons to have representation in the board from the trade union. That is happening only in the nationalized bank. That is not happening. When we are having the literates like yes, our Manjrekar ji told that. Had he pursued his career, Manjrekar Sunil Kumar might have been a managing director of a bank. Because we have that much amount of literacy, experience, exposure in heading our own bank. But they are bringing the people from outside. That is also affecting us only. Private people are coming inside. So, today what are all the issues faced by the industry, banking industry? In the name of the banking reforms, it is affecting the future of the bank officers of the nationalized banking sector only. So, when these problems are there, necessarily we only have to fight against this. Privatization is not going to affect the State Bank of India. And privatization is not going to affect the private banks. Amalgamation is not going to affect the State Bank of India. Amalgamation is not going to affect the private banks. It is going to affect only public sector. Friends, I told that in 2010 onwards, the young educated people like you started getting recruitment in the banking system as officers directly. You know, the level of attitude of our officers today, I really wonder on this. People you say that, who become BSc Maths, only those people can join in the bank, that was a clerk. Nobody can come directly as officer because experience and the exposure chahiye bank officer banne ka. People will join only as a clerk. Whereas my youth today, with more than 38% of the women, they are having a dare to join in the bank as officers directly, and only because of their right attitude and positive attitude they are joining in the bank. Though their educational qualification is totally alien to the banking system. Engineers, B.Tech, computer. Never they thought after joining the bank they have to go for the CASA, NPA, recovery, priority, retail, housing, third party. Never, but they were having a right amount of attitude. So, even with that qualification, they joined in the bank. Not only that, even after joining in the bank, after knowing the bank what it is, in 3 years they are ready to take up the position of the managerial promotion also. All my women, at the age of 30, 31, they are becoming senior managers and divisional managers. This is the attitude of the youth today joining the public sector bank. We have to take care of them also. And what way they are inferior to the officers in State Bank of India, my dear brothers? Ajga. It might have happened in the past. The quality of the officers will be different from the State Bank of India. But today my youth who join in this bank, 85% of the officers are average age of 35 and they are able to manage the huge business in all over the country. At the age of 31, 32, they are ready to head to the bank also as a manager, senior manager. They are ready to become the division manager, scale 4, scale 5 also. Why we should get after the wage revision 4 increments lesser than State Bank of India? Is it justified? Why we are not deserving for it, my dear friends? This question last week I posted to my MD. Last 30th, I met my MD, Canara Bank. I asked him, what is it, sir? Why our boys? He was telling that we earned the profit of total income of 53,000 crores and operating profit of 10,500 crores, net profit of 600. Badhiya hai, sir. Very good. You earned. It is not because of you, because you joined only last year. Okay. But it is all done by my boys who joined as a director officer, probationary officer in 2010. From 2010 se aaj tak they are working like a bull and they are responsible for this profit and the benefit and the business. And how we are going to do. He asked me, kya chahiye aapko? What do you want? I told him, we also should get to 4 increments more than the wage settlement and State Bank of India is giving that. We demanded it. And I must thank my MD because the first time this demand has come. He told next joint conference, you give it as an agenda. You bring it as your association agenda. Shortly we will have a joint conference. There we will record as a discussed item. And I will record, I am favoring it. And I will sign that. And this agenda will be forwarded to the government. I will use all my might to influence the government of India because I am earning the profit to give at least 2 increments to the Canara Bank officers. Sorry, whether it is coming or not, that is a different issue. In these many number of years, we never thought about it. Itna solve ho gaya. I also joined in 1986 as a direct officer. Abhi 4 mahine mein retire hona wala hai. Okay, even I don't get what way I am inferior to State Bank of India. I am not given the 4 increments matching to the State Bank of India because I am also a performer in this bank. Thought has not come. This thought has come today, and we were able to influence the MD of the bank also that it should be considered. This thought can come only by the All India Nationalized Bank Officers Federation. Nobody can get to this idea because it is pertaining to the Nationalized Bank Officers. Once it is implemented in Canara Bank, Bank of India also will get it. Government of India cannot say that it is meant for only the Canara Bank. Nahi hota hai. All the public sector banks who are all going to remain in this country as a public sector bank, they also will be getting 4 increments more than the wage settlement. They will get it. Because my youth will be supporting them. What I am trying to say that these kind of dynamic thoughts will come only to the officers belonging to the public sector banks. And today whatever happening? Pension. Our officers. Kitna pension? The person who retired long back as a general manager, because of the non-obligation of the pension, his pension is lesser than the today's retired clerk. What respect he will come on? Every paisa is out there. Our government is says. Our government is says we are going to sell the shares. Friend, if you are able to read a book called No Regrets, it was written by Mr. D.N. Ghosh. He was IRS officer from West Bengal. He has written beautifully, who became a chairman of the State Bank of India. He has written beautifully why these nationalized banks were formed. He has written why Madam Indira Gandhi wanted to, because he was the person prepared that note to be placed in the parliament. That's what he is telling that. What was the force on me? And kindly go through that. He is talking about the importance of the trade union also. When the nationalized banks were nationalized, there was a big question in front of the finance ministry. Whether we should continue with the same chairman or have a chairman ko badalne ka hai. There was a question. And uska naam tha secretary, somebody, I forget, Bakshi, Mr. Bakshi. Mr. Bakshi was the secretary. Secretary asked Mr. D.N. Ghosh, "Arey yaar, this hame nationalize karte hain, the same chairman should continue." You know Mr. Ghosh what he told that? Sir, if you are asking anybody, they will be always giving a selfishness quoted ideas to you. What I should do? You call the trade union leaders. They only will be telling in the interest of the institution. They only. Friend, I am quoting what is written by D.N. Ghosh, who became the State Bank of India chairman Hero. And they called the trade union leaders to Mr. Bakshi's room, who was the secretary. And Bakshi was sitting there to question that how many banks is the same chairman to continue and how many banks the chairman should be changed. And he was asking Mr. Ghosh, when the trade union leader comes, how I should behave. Secretary of the banking is asking. Sir, thoda comfort do sir. He is a trade union leader, sir. Perhaps, my dear friends, in bank mein was specialization in the trade union leader. You know, it is written by D.N. Ghosh. When the trade union leader entered, Mr. Bakshi was having a cigar in his mouth. They exchanged the cigars. He is telling, we exchanged the cigar. That is the kind of responsibility. That is the kind of importance. It was commanded by the trade union in this country, particularly the banking trade unions. He is telling further, Mr. Bakshi says, Mr. Ghosh says, if at all this nationalization became a success, if at all this priority sectors received a huge fund allocation from the government of India, if at all this nationalization has resulted in the expansion of the branches, it is only because of the trade unions in the banking sector. It is written by Mr. D.N. Ghosh. So, my dear friends, in this moment, we ought to write a new history. Because a very big dynamic changes is going to happen, it is happening. Obviously, there will be only 4 to 5 nationalized banks. And in those banks also, the government holding is going to be reduced to below 50%. No problem nahi. Our problem is not that they are reducing the government holding. Who will be holding the majority share? That is the biggest question in front of the policy banks. Very big question. आप जानते हैं? Recently, yesterday also I was sharing with that. IDBI Bank was holding the 100% of the government of India holdings. 100%. Our former MD, Mr. Rakesh Sharma, became the MD of the IDBI Bank, and they sold the major share to the LIC, not to even the private fellows. LIC go. You know what LIC did that? Immediately after taking over, they took all the database of this bank and they started sending the LIC products ka brochure hota hai na, wahi. They sent to all the customers. Not only that, all the officers and the manager were asked to sell LI policies. It was in the newspaper last year. It was opposed. I am really wondering now. Suppose our shareholding is purchased by Reliance Vegetable Market. Our officer ka manager ka kya ho jayega? All the so-called educated youth have to sell the vegetables. So we are opposing, my dear friends. It is not a laughable issue. It is a very serious issue. The country which was improving itself by nationalizing bank, by doing so, keeping the capital, which is the important factor of the economy, to improvise the country's economy, it is going to be handed over to the private. Not only that, in the name of amalgamation, they are going to consolidate all the spare banks. Ultimately, we will be only 4 or 5. And all the 4 or 5 banks may have to be or may be directed to cater the needs of the corporates. And who will be taking care of the villagers, rural, semi-urban, priority, all these sectors? Only private banks. Area-based banks. They are going to take care of it. Is it not the time we, the officers working in the nationalized banks, not in the interest of us, to guard this country's economy, to guard this nation's assets? Is it not the time to fight against this evil design of the government and to stop this nationalization, not to get the benefit for us, to save this country? We must get into that. Good that we started from Patna today. Good, because big changes in this country started from Patna only. It started from Patna. I am seeing our leader who brought back the nation into the democratic process from the emergency, with Jayaprakash Narayan's face in Mr. Sunil Kumar. It is his responsibility. To guard the nationalized bank is his responsibility. Under his leadership, we are ready to write a new history. Yes, sir. Under the leadership of Mr. Sunil Kumar, we are ready to write a new history that we all will fight to retain the public sector status of this nationalized bank, not to get any benefit for us, to guard this country's assets. We must do it. This is our everybody's responsibility. So friends, the dynamic industry, ever undergoing the dynamic changes every 10 years, we have been witnessing. Today, the dynamic change, what has been taking place now, it is going to finish the presence of the nationalized banks. Going to finish. And is it not the time for us to rise and to fight for this? That is why we have called this agitation against the privatization as preventing the privatization to preserve the national assets. Not for me. I am ready to work in a private bank also. Yeah. Thoda 1 lakh salary dala do, I will go. But what will happen to my country? What will happen to the hugely mobilized assets? Friends, Lakshmi Vilas Bank, 100 years ka bank hai. 39,000 crores business hai. That bank was handed over to DBS for the mere, Singapore-based bank, for the mere 2,500 crores. Like Indian bank. It cannot happen to the Bank of India. It should not happen to the Canara Bank. Because we gave our sweat and blood in building up, and we were all working for the nation building, economy building, poor ke liye. So, not for our benefit, my dear friends. It is a historical compulsion on the All India Nationalized Bank Officers Federation to fight for the causes of the nationalized banks. It is a historical compulsion on us. Necessarily we have to fight. That's why we call it as a year of self-esteem. Self-esteem of the nationalized bank officers must be protected now. You all must come to this team under the leadership of Mr. Sunil Kumar. And that's why I told that it is not a retirement, it is not a retirement, it is not a farewell, it is a felicitation to encourage him or motivate him to take the new responsibility of leading the All India Nationalized Bank Officers movement in protecting the national assets for the development of the country. A D-Day started from the Patna. Excellent. So, I on behalf of all of you, come se come, Canara Bank of India officers, registered officers, why sir? 68,000 people. Number wise, we are next to All India Bank Officers Confederation. Number wise. And the last IGO conference, our Manjirekaji told that All India Bank Officers Association, All India Bank Officers Congress kuch hai, and NOBO, एक other association है. तीनों मिलके Canara Bank Officer Association का नंबर में आधा भी नहीं है. वेरीफाई कर लीजिए, आधा भी नहीं है. अभी हमारा बैंक ऑफ इंडिया भी हमारा साथ है. With the 68,000 officers in our fold, it is the responsibility of Mr. Sunil Kumar for the benefit of the youth who are now 80,000 people, 80% of the people who are in the age group of 32, who join in the banking system with a belief that this public sector bank is going to continue forever in this country, and I will also survive in this banking system along with the get a satisfaction of serving the nation. All the youth who join in the bank and their dreams are shattered now, sir. And it is the responsibility of all of us senior leaders must get into this field and protect the interest of the nation. And we must take a separate line because we cannot expect for our cause somebody should come and fight. There is no reason, my dear friends. Manjirekaji told that when the second pension option came, State Bank of India has told that I am not going to fight. It is only Mr. Shetty who was the president of the Nationalized Bank Officers Federation. From the Nationalized Bank, he told that unless you are not signing, wage revision nahi hoga. We got the second option for the pension. Perhaps the youth may not be knowing, the person who was sitting in the first row, they must be understanding the importance of got the second option for the pension. We did that. So that responsibility again to be. If we want country to prosper, my youth in the India, educated youth to have a good job opportunity in the banking sector, and We have to further strengthen the nationalized banks to work for the nation's